Good morning children, welcome back to our English class. So in the previous class we have talked about Lord Krishna and we have even discussed his naughty deeds, what he has done. So today we will read the lesson of Krishna and Kalia. We will know who was this Kalia. Okay, so then let's begin. We all know that Krishna was very naughty as a child, but he was never naughty without a reason. So as I told you earlier, Krishna was a naughty boy, but whatever he had done, there was a reason for doing that naughty thing. So Krishna often played his pranks to teach people right from wrong. So he often does those naughty things to teach them what is right and what is wrong. That's what this famous story about Krishna and Kalia is about. Read on. So to correct someone, we will read and find out whom he wanted to correct and who was this Kalia. So let us read. Krishna and his friends are playing besides the river Yamuna. So now Krishna was playing with his friends near the river Yamuna and they had some conversation. So let us read and find out. So, Krishna, why are you throwing the ball here and there? Why can't you concentrate? So his friend was saying Krishna that why are you throwing ball here and there, here and there, in the sense he was not throwing the catch to the correct person, to the correct place. He was either throwing to the left side or to the right side. So why can't you concentrate? Concentrate means look and throw. Concentrate on what you are doing, what work you are doing. So that. Oh, now Krishna is saying, oh, I am sorry, I will be more careful. So Krishna said, oh, I am sorry, I didn't observe, so I will be careful. Then next, next. Krishna purposely throws the ball into the river. The river Yamuna is very deep and this is where the terrible snake Kalia lives. Ganga, his friend, gets angry with Krishna. Now see, Krishna purposely throws. Purposely means wantedly. See, purposely. P-U-R-P-O-S-E-L-Y. Purposely. Purposely means wantedly. So, Krishna want to do something as he want to teach someone a lesson, he wantedly throws the ball into the river. The river Yamuna is very deep and this is where the terrible snake Kalia lives. So he wantedly threw the ball into the river Yamuna where Kalia means who now? We came to know who is Kalia. Kalia is a snake. So he wanted to teach a lesson to Kalia. We will read and find out what is the lesson he taught to him and why was Kalia so dangerous. So now Ganga, his friend, gets angry with Krishna. So maybe the ball is of the boy called Ganga and he gets angry that Krishna wantedly threw the ball into the river. Now see, you can see the images here. Krishna is, now this boy is the Krishna and these are his friends. And Krishna wantedly throws the ball into the river. And this boy is Ganga where he gets angry. So, Krishna, what is this? My mother has told me not to go near the river. Now you should go and get the ball. So now this boy, Ganga, he got angry as his ball fell into the water. Now he is saying, my mother asked me not to play near the river and you threw the ball into the river. So you shall go and get me the ball. Then now the next other friend is saying, no, don't go there. A huge snake, Kalia, lives in the river. These days, My father has told me about it. So the other friend is saying, no, no, don't get into the water. There is a huge snake in the river Yamuna, and my father told not to go. Now, again the other friend is saying, don't you know he has killed 4 men and 6 women. Now that friend who said that his father told not to go, is saying that Kalia has killed 4 men and 6 women. Now the other friend is saying, I don't believe this. I don't believe this, Kashi. No matter what happens, you should bring my ball, Krishna. So the other friend is saying, no, I don't know all that. I want my ball. So these two friends were fighting. One was saying, Krishna not to go as there is a big snake and it has killed 4 men and 6 women. But the other boy whose ball was it, he's saying, no, I want my ball at any cost and you should give me the ball. So Krishna runs to fetch the ball and climbs a tree quickly before anybody can stop him. On the branch, he loses his balance and falls into the water. A huge snake rises from the water at once, as if it was waiting for Krishna to fall. So as these two friends were fighting, suddenly at once Krishna runs onto the tree to fetch the ball. Fetch the ball means to take the ball, and suddenly he slips and falls into the water. So in the next class we will read and find out what happened to Krishna. Whether he came out with the ball or the snake has killed Krishna. So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you, children.